But when things hit the fan, you're called out for being shady. There's no easy way out. It's like how so many influencers or companies try to build an image without real things, and it can come crashing down when people realize they've been faking it. I've seen people chase trends or start businesses just for the appearance, but the second they face criticism or backlash, it all falls apart because they didn't build it on real values. And honestly, it's a reality check for a lot of us. No matter how cool or profitable something seems, if it's built on bad foundations, it's going to crumble. South Park nailed it again by giving reality checks. But here's a thought. You can start your own company. What crazy over-the-top name would you pick? Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching.
Y'all know to hit the rumble. That way y'all can see the studio quality video.
So this is day 3 of the KOV challenge.
Shout out to Melinda Elliott.
So one of the things that we're supposed to do is ask a question. And one of the questions I'm interested in is, what do you think about my channel? When I started this channel, I started it, well, for me, I'm a type A personality and I needed to relax. I have some disabilities that are related to stress. And it seems like people like them and watch them.
They got some of them roaches though.
You guys tell me what you think.
Just stacking up.
Bye.
Yeah. So like Fox Farms though, like I noticed like if you're going to plant Fox Farms Ocean, you plant a plant in there and you veg it up.
Now before Corey asks Soil King this question, shout out to the big homie Corey, Soil King, Higher Desert Exotics. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know they got bingo tonight. Not tonight, this afternoon. Shout out to them having bingo this afternoon. Hell, y'all know they doing that new stuff with the donations and super chats. So now they got bingo, which is cool because you know how we do. We like that. They over here being progressively pimping what they pimping, which is progressive for the pimping. Anyways, y'all know to go check out Higher Desert Exotics. Network with that buy me a coffee too, you know what I'm talking about?
Out for like 2 months and you get that plant monstrous and you're ready to flip it into flower. Now you have to add amendments to there because there's nothing left in it.
Back up just a little bit. When you say you planted it for a couple months and it took off monstrous, do you know what's in that mix that makes that plant grow?
Synthetic salts.
It's pretty much what it is, but it's ammonium nitrate. So they spray this ammonium nitrate on sawdust, and that ammonium nitrate is like, it's like acid on a fucking slug. So think of the organic and biology that's in there. It's killing. They put that on there. You can throw a pile of that. It's called nitralized sawdust is what the industry calls it, as an amendment to mix it, and that's what they buy. Roots Organic, a bunch of them do that as an amendment, and that's their nitrogen pack. And then they tell you they put a bunch of guanos and they do other stuff. They don't put the shit on it. That's what it is, and that's the reason, the difference between a good quality soil and them, and you just explained it, is it shot up and it grew some veg and it did really well. But the thing it's missing is that now, like if you grew in my soil or some good soil, it's not always my soil, but the difference between mine, you're asking me, and Fox Farm, and all the case studies, Fox Farm with ammonium nitrate in the soil, that plant will shoot up really quick. It grows quick, and it's for tomato plants. Just call it tomatoes. We'll just do tomato, but same thing with any other cultivar, is it shoots up really quick, and it puts off a few tomatoes, and the wind comes and that plant has no structure, and it falls over, and it's lanky, right? My soil versus the same tomato plant, you got a fucking heavy stalk, you got this plant that just fucking sits up and does its thing, and it's putting off tomatoes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's the difference. And why does mine do that? Because I have a living soil concept behind it. I want you to grow with bacteria. I want you to grow with fungi. I want you to do everything that is healthy in that plant. The last thing you want to do is feed ammonium nitrates in a tomato to your kids at the dinner table. If you, once you know kind of, you know, so.